so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, your sunshine girl. I hope you all are fine and your winter is going good, and I'm fine too. Today I will show you my whole day. It's basically what I do in a day and how I spend my whole day. Some clips, I mean not everything, but some different clips in a day of my life. It's 11:30 and I have taken my breakfast around in 10:30. So I decided to have some fruit juice after 1 hour of my breakfast. For that, I have taken orange and I'm peeling off them. And if you are in your weight loss journey, then orange is a great fruit for that. Once I'm done with taking out all of the edges, it will be ready to make out of a juice. I have taken one orange. You can take 2 or 3 according to your need. Now it's blending time, and for that I'm adding half glass of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tang in orange flavor. I'm done and it's time for mixing. Mix them all together very properly for almost like 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna pour it in my glass and take out all the extra edges which are left in the juice. The juice is ready. So before drinking my juice, I'm gonna tie up my hair with a ponytail and then we'll make a full braid on my hair. It's my favorite hairstyle, especially when I stay at home whole day. I feel very comfortable with this hairstyle. As I have a very long hair, it's very much difficult to maintain them properly. Yeah, my hair braid is done. Now it's time to drink my juice which I made before. I take time while drinking it, almost 5 to 6 minutes. I went to my balcony, though there was no sun outside that day, but I enjoyed the outside view while drinking my juice. After that, I will do some face care. And for that, I have taken a big size bowl and I will pour some ice on that. Now add some normal temperature water in that. The ice water is becoming ready, and you know that the benefits of ice water. I have told a lot about this in my other videos. It's really a great method for tighten your skins and reduce all the blemishes from the skin. Okay, I know that this method is quite difficult in winter, especially to dip the whole face into cold water, but thinking about all the benefits and advantages, we can do these once in a week. I mean, yeah, we can. After that, your face will feel some sort of dryness, and as my face is already dry, so I feel like more dryness in my face. So I'm applying a very thin moisturizer on my face. And for moisturizing my lips, I'm using my daily Vaseline, my go-to use Vaseline actually. It is, you can see these in my other videos many more times. You can see my face is looking so smooth and the instant brightness. Oh my god. In evening, I mostly go for the low-calorie snacks, and popcorn is one of the best item if you are following a diet plan. Now I'm gonna show you how I make my snacks. It's going to be a cooking video for you guys, so hold up for it. I can't believe I'm gonna make a cooking tutorial video. I mean, this is my very first time I'm showing it to you. So enjoy. Like what else or I can say. And yeah, most importantly, I'm using ghee, not the soybean oil. Remember that. Add some salt on ghee and then pour all the popcorn seeds in the pan. You need to have patience at this moment. I mean, it takes quite a lot time. I guess it's done. Now I will cover them. Here comes the most satisfying moment of this segment, when you see the result. Now I will pour them in a small bowl and will enjoy my evening snacks while watching my favorite cartoon. And yeah, obviously don't forget to turn down all the lights and switch before you going outside from your kitchen. Let me just turn on my TV. Let's watch my favorite cartoon together, which I'm watching from my childhood till now. Yay! I still watch this. It's one of the most favorite pastime of mine. Now going back to skincare, I will do some eye massage, actually under eye massage, and for that I am taking my that Vaseline. I will take some in my finger, and for making them warm I will rub them together for a while, and then I will massage it in my under eye. Under eye massage is a very good thing before going to sleep. You can do this once or twice in a day. Now it's time to show my after shower routine, what I do after taking my shower. I normally don't do blow dry in my hair, but basically it's winter and I can't stay with my wet hair, so I'm doing blow dry on my hair. Don't forget to dry your middle portion of the hair, it's the most important part. Especially when the sun is not out there, blow dry is the only option in winter. After having my lunch at around 4 p.m., I do some extra activities in my home, and one of them is watering the plant which we have in our balcony. I also love to spend some time at there, especially in afternoon. If you sit home for a long time and you don't go to your rooftop or you don't go to your balcony, your time will be so much boring. So try to add some color in your daily routine, doing whatever you like or whatever you want to do. That was all for my today's video. I hope you liked all the activities I did or I tried to capture in my this video. Also tell me what you want to see in my next video, and till then lead a very healthy and happy life. See you in my next video. Okay, bye bye. Oh, another thing is don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.